afternoon, everyone. This is Mark from White Line Trading, and what I wanted to do was show you the upgrade that we created for the Forex software. You saw the webinar on Friday, and I showed you that trading out of consolidation was an extremely low risk way of trading. And what we did was, and I think I'd also mentioned that we have that consolidation indicator just about ready to go. Well, we completed it, and I wanted to show it to you. It is now an integral part of the system. If you have already purchased it, we're going to add it to the suite, and if you're going to purchase it, it's going to be part of the suite. Now, all these slides were taken from the Aussie dollar. Doesn't matter which Forex pair you trade, but you can see that the software has created this consolidation channel, and that as soon as the consolidation channel hits support, you have an entry and a beautiful move up. Doesn't go straight up, comes back a bit, but ultimately at a consolidation you get the move up. Same thing here. There's a long area of consolidation, and you can see you've got the quant, you've got your long-term Laguerre, you have your short-term Laguerre or chart Laguerre, just about pressed below 20, oversold, which is where we want it. Consolidation hits resistance, you take the trade short. This channel is created by the software, easy to see after a certain period of time based upon our inputs. It prints. You just wait till the trade moves laterally into resistance to the downside, and you take the trade down. Another example of the exact same configuration. You're going to see this happen over and over again. Now, it may lead to a huge trade, or it may lead to a moderately sized trade. Doesn't matter. Some of these slides are on a 13 range, and some of these are on a 5-minute chart. Now, this triangle was not put on the chart by me. This is part of the indicator. Now, the consolidation indicator does a multi-time frame analysis of trend. And in certain instances, it will actually give you a signal to take at a consolidation. You can see that you have the quant, long-term Laguerre, you have the chart Laguerre, you have cyan background bias, which is still a strong up. You have the 15 just about crossing the 50. You get a system-generated long signal. You take the trade, and you get a really, really big move to the upside. Now, you're not going to get these every time that you are going to be able to trade out of consolidation, but when you do, they're really terrific entries. Now, here's another trade out of consolidation. No signal, that's my arrow, but you can see the channel. Price moves laterally to resistance. Take the trade short for a nice move to the downside. Now, here's a terrific example of how great consolidation works. Now, here's two channels that are formed. You wait till price hits resistance. Could have taken the trade here. I marked the trade long here. You have the quant. You have long-term, the multi-time frame assessment of momentum. Chart momentum is heading up. Trade out of consolidation. A great long trade. Now, here's another consolidation channel. But if you want to trade counter trend, the Laguerre is heading down, and the movement is down out of consolidation. Trading out of consolidation is always a powerful move. Then you get a very, very long consolidation channel. And the longer the channel, the more powerful the move. And what it really is the amalgam of two channels that have created by the software. And then it gives you a system-generated entry. Now, I did not create that triangle. That arrow I did. This triangle I did not. You have your quant, multi-time frame Laguerre. Chart Laguerre is heading up in your direction. You get the system-generated signal, which can come with an audible alert, and you trade out of consolidation to the upside, and you get a terrific entry. So we've made the software a lot more powerful. These consolidation channels will appear regularly on your chart. You have the ability with the scanner to trade 12 Forex pairs. You can create an audible alert with it. You can trade it just with the system-generated signal or on any move out of consolidation. Once it's moved laterally into resistance or support, in this case support, with green background, the quant, the multi-time frame Laguerre, and the chart Laguerre, and you've got yourself a terrific trade. So I just wanted to show you the upgrade to the system that everyone is entitled to who's already come aboard, and those of you who are considering coming aboard. Have a really wonderful afternoon. Bye-bye.